and gals. I am here to do the unboxing of the Tonic Craft Kit number 21. And I like Tonic products, you know. I like them. I like them a lot. Anyway, so here is Tonic Craft Kit number 21. And I am not affiliated with the company. I purchase my products, so you get my honest review or comments on them. Okay. Which is why sometimes I think people don't have me review their products because I'm just too blunt. So here is your Tonic Craft Kit. You get this whole welcome. It gives you the list of the stuff in your kit, and then gives you some inspiration information and so forth. So let's just go into it. I mean, you can see stuff right away, but okay. So they give you one of these blender brushes. I've never had one, so I have no idea how well it works. I do know that some of these bristles are coming off, so hopefully that doesn't happen when you use the brush. You know, to excess. I mean, every brush is going to have pieces that come off. So, it's kind of, the bristles feel interesting. I will say the shape of it is nice, but this plastic is hard. Ooh, that's some hard plastic. See? So, it might have been a little better if this were some kind of grippy, like you know how you have that neoprene stuff? That might have been easier on the hands. Just saying. All right, so then you get this hybrid ink, and it's poppy red, which I got a brown one in my last kit, and I absolutely love their hybrid ink. I'm like, can I have every flipping color? So anybody out there from Tonic, if you would like to just, you know, give me all of your Nouveau hybrids so I could try them out and do videos, I would love that. You know, ain't nobody from Tonic watching my video. Anyway, you all so God. They're probably like, heffing no, we don't like you. You might say something we don't like. Oh well, too bad. All right, so Nouveau Embellishment Mousse, and it's, you know, I love blue, so you'll know I'll be trying that out. And it's supposed to be the expanding kind, although it just says embellishment, so it's supposed to expand, so we shall try that. You have some gilding flakes, and I'm just going to tell you guys right now, I have never in my life used a gilding flake, so Monica, I'll need her help, because she uses these on the regular. Okay, so they give you some washi tape, which is blue, so you know I like that. I'm not real big on making stuff out of washi tape, but I might try to do some cards with that. This is what I wanted in this bottle. Woohoo! And I'm pretty sure I saw the Not Too Shabby Shop had these in her shop. And I'm hoping they're not on pre-order. I'll have to go back and look at her video. But these are the stone drops. I was so waiting to try the Tonic Stone Drops. I don't use a whole lot of like drops and sprays and spritzes and mousses and all that kind of stuff. But I really liked the jewel drops. And so I thought maybe these will be awesome. Can't wait to try them. Can't wait to try. We'll wait for that. And you get papers. Now, I'm not going to go back and read the list of papers because I don't really care what they're called. I just like the way they look. So you have this one. And this is gorgeous. This is some gorgeous feeling paper. Ooh, look at that. You have this lovely color. They do have some nice paper. It's a little pricey though. This is like a gold color. I don't think it's showing up that well, but this is a gold, like a brushed kind of gold. This is a blue. I want to get a different light for my room, for my videos. This is some nice paper too. I love that. This reminds me of that fabric. It's a lace fabric that's embroidered on the edge. Y'all know what I'm talking about. And this is fabulous. See, these are pieces of paper like you hoard. And then you have some glitter. And it doesn't look like it's coming off very much. There's just a little bit. So that's good. Woo-hoo-hoo. I do love their paper. They have some nice paper. It's a little pricey, but it's some nice paper. Yes. I'm going to just throw this out there again. Anybody from Tonic, if you just want to send me all the hybrid inks, I'd appreciate it. I guess you know what they say. If you don't ask, you can't receive, right? So I asked. That's funny. Like I said, ain't nobody from Tonic watching my video. But anyway, so here is the stamp set and the dies. So they give you the stone drops because this is the new product. And this is the sticker for this month, made for you by me. Then you have a stamp, which this is a pretty rose, and then you have the distressed look going on here. And I always like a quadrifoil, so you can make this very Moroccan or whatever. Okay. And then they have the stencil. And once again, like I said, I'm not a big stencil-y type person. I mean, I do have stencils, but I don't use them a lot. So I always think about de-stashing them too, but then I'll be like, where's that stencil? I bought them when I was doing a lot of jelly printing, but I haven't been doing much lately, so. Anyway, so they had this one, and I actually really like this. I like the way the hearts are, and they've got little pieces left in, so you got that distressed look. And then you have this side. Love that. And then you have your little Tonic folder. And you get a binder every 3 months, like every 3rd month or so. I think, like I said, I've only had 2 kits. This is only the 2nd one. So they have these dies. They've got this corner die, which is a cut-in die. So if you've ever seen me do some of the Crafter's Companion stuff where you like put it in and it stays in the card, Tonic, they call their the Verso die. Okay, so it's not a Verso in that there's no cut in, like a backing plate, but you cut it in, and then this one cuts in. You got some little flowers, and then you got a sentiment, but I don't know what it says. It says something. So I'd have to cut it out to figure out. And then, I'm pretty sure it says on here, but whatever. And then they had these 2 pieces, which are like cut-in dies too. I have some Tim Holtz dies like this, where it cuts into the card and it just like has that piece. And then this one says have I want to say that says birthday, but I'm not sure that's what it says. Whatever. We can figure it out when I cut it out. But isn't that awesome? So that is my Tonic Craft Kit 21. I can't wait to play with some of this stuff. I don't know how long it'll take me to play with it. That's one reason why I don't get it every month. But, you know, hey, there you go. So thanks for watching. If you would like to see a process video of some of this stuff, if I do a video like that, just let me know and I can add that to the list. I seriously need somebody who can keep track of all these tutorial requests. Somebody want to do a secretary thing for me? All right. Maybe I should do a Google Doc or something that says just like add your request on there. You know what I'm saying? Get all tech on you. All right, thanks for watching, you guys. I'm going to quit rambling now, and I shall see you later.